This is our crew. I'd like to introduce the crew members. Captain Don. Captain Don's busy, so he can't turn around. It's our first mate, Billy. Our other first mate, David. And there's Brad. He is, what is Brad? Oh, he's our engineer. Brad, move.
He's all right.
Okay, yes, 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 yes.
That's good going. Go in, keep him off the boat. Pressure on you. Come on now. You can get ready here. Let's not tighten up. I got it. I said you didn't just
Mr. Bradley just patiently awaiting to see what's going to happen here. I guess we're making his day before we go to Florida.
Come on. Come out of there. Get out of there.
No? He broke it?
Yep.
Okay. Well, see, this is why this is such an adventure.
I thought you so tough. I like the bigger fish. That's why he went the other way.
Okay, well, David just had it wrapped around his tail and it came up to the boat. I don't know if I got it on film. But we'll pause and come back for a minute. Okay, well, there it is.
Dorothy, put the camera on.
It is.
That's great.
All right.
Smacking him in the head.
Hey, David, how do you feel? You got a fish. Honey.
I like hitting him in the head.
David.
You hooked him in the tail?
Okay, he got him.
Get a picture of this, honey. Nice job, Dave. Thanks, fish. Thank you, Brad.
Well, it's about time.
Down the bottom, right by you, Don.
There.
Orange.
Oh, get him here, Don.
Oh, this is a real nice fish. Back it up, Brad. Cool, come on.
Fish, I can't believe it.
Back it up. Oh, this is a nice one. This is a real nice one.
Wow!
Oh, yeah. Nice going, Billy.
Not bad. Give the gas there. Give the gas. Right. Oh, yeah. Fat one.
That's a big one.
Get that hook out.
Raise him up a little bit. We have a sunfish here. We did see a big fin, so I figured we'd just come by, but that's all it is, a sunfish.